Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this March the 22nd, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Friday out there so far. Everybody has a great Friday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and others enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Alrighty, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about your weekend forecast, your Saturday and Sunday. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar currently, what's going on across the nation. Also, we're going to take a look at the Watches Warning Advisory map. Also, the Storm Prediction Center outlook for your Sunday and also Monday, as we got some severe weather to discuss in tonight's video. So stick around through the entire video and make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos, and let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see here we got a winter storm going on in portions of the Northeast. Flooding possible. The Canada, even portions of northern Vermont, New Hampshire, portions of northeastern New York State, also in the Maine and portions of New Brunswick. Also some freezing rain also in that vicinity as well. Strengthening there. They're also in portions of Delaware and D.C. vicinity. Also, we have some shower activity coastal waters, stretching back into D.C. to West Virginia, back into portions of Kentucky. Thunderstorms and showers from the Carolinas down into Florida, Florida Keys and northern Bahamas, and portions of northern Cuba. Also stretching back to Alabama and Georgia as well. Alright, we have some snow flying over here in portions of Wisconsin, Michigan, back toward North and South Dakota, and also into Montana, with some heavy snow possible over Montana, and a few pockets in portions of eastern Montana, portions of the Dakotas as well. More mixed precipitation to Iowa to Kansas, stretching all the way to Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona, to California, all the way back to Washington and Oregon states, including Idaho as well. We have some shower and thunderstorms along coastal area from western Washington state down into California and also down into Arizona as well. And some more thunderstorms and showers over Nebraska, Kansas, and portions of Colorado. Some showers over southern Arizona, northern Mexico, excuse me, as well. Otherwise, dry high pressures in charge of areas of weather for the remainder of Canada through portions of Michigan down toward Texas, Gulf of California, Mexico, Yucatan Peninsula, portions of Cuba, and also into Jamaica and portions of the central and southern Bahamas as well. All of this activity is for your Saturday, March 23rd. Alright, now we're going to move on to your Sunday forecast now. As you can see here, we got some mixed precipitation up here around New Brunswick, back into Maine, with a little bit of freezing rain there possible. Rain showers around Massachusetts, Connecticut, Rhode Island, also coastal waters. Alright, we got a lot of heavy snow possible from Minnesota back to Montana, to South Dakota, Nebraska, back into Wisconsin. Some freezing rain in pockets across Michigan, Wisconsin, also in Iowa. More mixed precipitation up here around the Great Lakes region, also back into Iowa, into Illinois, through California, all the way to Washington, Oregon State, and also into Idaho. And Utah region as well, and coastal rain showers from Washington, Oregon State, down along coastal waters, and across portions of Arizona and Southern California. Wyoming and Montana region as well, stretching all the way over to the Great Lakes region in southern Canada. Alright, all this activity is for your Sunday, March 24th. Let's move on to the weather radar from Canada from New York State all the way down to the Carolinas. Florida got some special marine warnings in the coastal waters, stretching all the way back as a nation. There it is. We finally came up. All right, we got winter storm warnings from Maine all the way back in New York State, along with in the purple winter weather advisory there as well, and portion of Connecticut down in the New York State, portion of northwest Pennsylvania, from up here near Connecticut down toward the New Jersey region, and also portion of Virginia. Air quality alerts there as well. Coastal flood advisory along the North Carolina coast. We have winter weather advisory from Maine all the way to the Florida here from portion of California up to Washington State. Small craft advisories and also storm warnings there as well. Also, we have high wind watches warnings in effect from portion of Nebraska down in Oklahoma, Texas, and New Mexico. Winter storm watches is here in portions of Montana coastal areas. Wind advisories over portions of Arizona. Also, weather statements there. Winter weather advisory, winter storm warning for portion of California also. Hydro issues over portions of Colorado, special weather statements in portion of Oklahoma, and also into portions of Texas and Oklahoma region and Colorado. All right, we have small craft advisory for areas of the coastal waters from the southern Hawaiian chain islands south, north south. Gale warning, small craft advisory around Alaska. Winter storm warnings. Severe weather for your Sunday. We don't have much for tomorrow, so just a little bit along the Outer Banks of North Carolina, maybe a little bit across southern Texas, southern Florida, that is, but pretty much just a little bit here, a little bit here. This is for your Sunday. As you can see, we got general thunderstorms from Grand Junction to Colorado, all the way toward Kansas City, Waco. Has been extended from McCook portions of Nebraska, Colby, Abilene, Texas area. Slight risk including Woodward, you're in the slight risk. Oklahoma City, Norman, you're included in that as well. All right, let's take a look at the probability. Should be 5 and 15%. Yeah, the 5% will be in the areas here. If it'll come up, I don't think it's going to come up. But anyway, in the marginal risk, 15 and the slight risk. All right, we're moving on to day number 4. Which will be I'm going to exit that one out. We'll see if we can get it from here. Well. I don't know if we're going to be showing it or not. So, well, here it comes. It's coming up. 15% risk area. Yeah, pretty much same areas. Greenville to Jackson. I hope everybody has a wonderful Friday evening. Subscribe if you have not. We'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful